Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you are enjoying your day. So, in this video, we are going to learn about sensing block. Why we are using the sensing block in your Scratch. Okay, so first thing, sensing means here if that will sense your mouse pointer or any particular color or anything, so what you will get. Okay, so let's start. Suppose we have one sprite which is bear. I want to delete the cat and I want to add one backdrop also, which is, for example, marketing. So we have one backdrop here and one sprite here. Now what is this touch to your mouse pointer? Like if bear will touch to the mouse pointer, so what we will do? What going to happen? So for that we need to add one event, and as you can see this is your diamond shape. So for that you have to take any control if you want to attach this. Like if you will touch this mouse pointer, or if I will add one more sprite here, for example, what bat. So we have a bear, we have a bat. So what if bear will touch to this bat? So we want to say hello. Now see, you will get nothing because bear is here, your bat is here. Now see what you will get. You will get hello because this bear is touching to your bat, right? So this is our first sensing block. After that we have a color. It means if bear will touch to this color, like see now how you will add the color. This is green, how you will take this particular color. You need to just click on this pen option. You will take your mouse. Which color do you want? Suppose I want this color. So here you will get that particular color. Now see, if I will run, you will get hello. Why? In this case, because this bear is touching to this particular color. So instead of taking your mouse pointer or edge or bat, if you want to apply the condition like a color, so you can add that one also. Okay. After that, we have a third. If color is touching to that, means suppose now we want to take a bear color, means if bear color will touch to this particular color, so then we want to say hello, so you will get hello. Why? Because this is your bear color and this is your, for example, ice color. Okay, so we have this particular three things. Like if you will touch to the mouse pointer, or if that will touch to the color, or if any particular color will touch to another color. Okay, now we have the next, which is a distance to mouse pointer. If you will apply this here, you are not able to. So always you have to apply this thing inside any circle one. Okay, now see what you will get. You will get a distance between this bear and between your mouse pointer. Instead of mouse pointer, suppose if I will take a bat, so you will get a distance because bear is here and this bat is here. Okay, so we will get a distance. Okay, after that, if you want to ask what's your name, like if you want to ask any question, suppose I will write my name is Shraddha. Press. Okay, now suppose you want to say here hello, and you want to just say my name, whatever you will get from here, you can show here. See, what's your name? Suppose Shraddha. You will get that Shraddha here. Okay, so this is our next. After that, if space key is pressed, instead of this, you can add a condition like if you will press the space key. Okay, like when you will press the space key, so you want to say something. So if there mouse down or if mouse X or where is your mouse Y, you want to set the drag mode also. So this is your sensing part. Even we can reset the timer. We can take a backdrop of stage. What is your current year? What is the username? Okay, everything you can do with the help of your sensing block. Okay, so thank you so much for watching our video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, which is Code for Kids, and press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.